Artichokes are purplish and green. Inside a yellow light is seen. They grow upon a thistle very tall. Big green flowers still closed up small.
Join the dots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Artichoke.
Asparagus picked and put in a bunch. 10 green asparagus, you will be my lunch. 10 green asparagus are sitting in my pan. I steam them or cook them with butter if I can.
Complete the puzzle.
Asparagus.
Broccoli. The tastiest vegetable is broccoli. Look at it so closely, it's like a miniature tree. The tastiest vegetable is broccoli.
Splat the veggies.
Broccoli. 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 Broccoli.
Try a cabbage or two, they're so good for you. The leafiest vegetable leaves through and through. Try a cabbage or two, they're so good for you. They come in all colors, red, white, green, and blue.
Join the dots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Cabbage.
Carrot so orange and go crunch. Take me to school for a healthy lunch. Eating raw, I am very nice. Chop me up and munch a slice.
Join the dots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Carrot.
Cauliflower's white just like a cloud. It's a vegetable. O-C-A-U-L-I. Flowers like white broccoli, like a tiny white tree. Cauliflowers rule.
Splat the veggies.
Cauliflower. 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 Cauliflower.
Celery's a green vegetable. Celery is tall. Snap it in half. Have you tried it? I like it raw. Celery's crisp. Have you munched it? Dip it and eat. Celery's green. Have you tried it? Oh, what a treat.
Complete the puzzle.
Celery.
Lovely and tasty, so have a munch. Golden yellow in color, all bright. Go ahead and take a bite.
Splat
crispy to please.
Complete the puzzle.
Cucumber.
I am a make an odd name, I agree. Purple is the color you will usually see. I can be roasted, mashed, or cooked slow. On a plant outside is where I grow.
Splat the veggies.
Eggplant. 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 Eggplant.
I am a lettuce, crispy and green. In lettuce fields I am seen. Eat me as I am when I am raw. On me rabbits like to gnaw.
Join the dot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Lettuce.
Okra is a vegetable, it is very edible. A seed pod, a green pod, a very yummy vegetable.
Join the dots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okra.
I am an onion, hard and round. I am grown in the ground. There are 3 normal types: yellow, red, and brown, but none with stripes.
Complete the puzzle.
Onion.
I am a pea grown in a pod. I hang on a plant and look a little odd. I am small, round and green. Tinned and frozen ones can be seen.
Splat the veggies.
Pea. 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 Pea.
I am a potato grown under the ground. On my plant top, green leaves are found. Shaped like an oval, like an egg I am. Boil me and eat me with a slice of ham.
Complete the puzzle.
Potato.
A radish is small, like a pinky red ball. Green leaves on the top, a root veggie. White inside, as crunchy as can be.
Complete the puzzle.
Radish.
Oh, the rhubarb, yummy rhubarb. It's a vegetable that's sweet. Yes, the long red stalks of rhubarb are just great to cook and eat. In a crumble, in a pie, or you can put them in a tart. When dessert time comes around, have humble rhubarb play a part.
Splat the veggies.
Rhubarb. 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 Rhubarb.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Spinach.
I am a tomato, round and red, with a green stalk upon my head. I make ketchup for your fries. I do a lot for a veggie my size.
Join the
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Tomato.
Turnips grow in the soil. Turnips grow in the ground. White and purplish pink. They are rooty and round. Their leaves of dark green stick up in the air. And that's how we tell that a turnip grows there.
Join the dots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Turnip.
Artichokes are purplish and green. Inside a yellow white is seen. They grow upon a thistle very tall. Big green flowers still closed up small.
Join the dots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Artichoke.